Oh my god, my battery's gonna die. I think this is the battery that's really good. I wanted to do kind of close out my project polish. I was thinking of doing that and then starting a new one, but I'm almost done with some of the polishes, so I just thought let's just keep it rolling and then roll it into 2018 and just keep adding things on. So what I did is I just got a new wheel here, and it's the same colors, and then I added 2 more here, which are little minis. I'll share that with you in a second. So I'll share with you the ones that I have no progress on from the last update. I believe Berry Naughty's still at the same line. I'm okay with that. It's really, really pretty. It just wasn't my focus all that much in the last update. It went down just a smidge from the last time. I think that's my new update. I think. Showtime from Revlon didn't move from the last update very much. So I was at the top, and then that was first update, and then this is where I am now. I think I marked these and I forgot that I marked them, and I can't remember where I was in my last update. This is where I am with Jessie Jade. This is where I was last update. I had just forgotten to mark it because I was right there and it completely settled because I hadn't touched it in so long, and that's where I'm at now. Really pretty. I'm kind of getting a little tired of these, but I wanna finish them out because I'm almost done. Caribbean Frost, that's where I was last update. This is where I am now. And then Bikini So Teeny, I am almost done. I think I have enough for a manicure. I've used it a lot for pedicure and then a manicure this last month. I've just been focusing on this one. I wasn't intentionally focusing on it. It's kind of funny. I was trying to focus on 2 other ones, but I ended up using this one more. But that's where I am now. I should be done with it by the next update. Cauldron from Jessie's Girl, I was right there last update. This is where I am now. This is one of the ones that I wanted to finish out, but I didn't get a chance to. And then the 2 new ones that I'm actually going to add in is this little duo. Somebody gave it to me at school. It's called the LA Colors Nail Duet, and it's the polish and glitter. It doesn't have a name, but it comes with this little top and then the little nude one and the little glitter topper. I'll show you guys the wheel right now. This one took 3 coats on the wheel, and I don't even think it's opaque yet. This is going to be a pretty sheer polish. I've never tried this. I think that's a big mistake, and then I'm adding it into a project polish, but they're minis, so I wanted to keep the same ones but then add something, but not something so big. So I decided to do the minis. So this is just this is Jessie Jade, Bikini So Teeny, Berry Naughty, Caribbean Frost, Showtime, Jessie's Girls, Cauldron, the little duo. So it's the little nude polish and then the glitter topper. And I thought, oops, I'm going backwards. I thought if I'm going to add something, I should add something nude, number 1, and something kind of small. And I decided to add something because I'm almost done with Bikini So Teeny, so I want to work on something once I'm done with that one. I want to have something else to work on. So that's my wheel going into, or ending 2017 and then going into 2018, and then I'll just keep adding. Every time I finish a polish, I'll add another polish. And I did remove the Orly's holographic glitter topper because it's just, I don't do glitter toppers. It's a holographic glitter topper, but it requires too many coats for the hollows to really show up, and it's just too much work. I don't really like that, so I kind of moved that one to the side. All right, that's everything, guys. I hope you guys are having a great New Year's. I thank you guys so much for watching. Best of luck in your project polish. I love this project. It's probably one of my favorites, if not my favorite. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.